Good morning, class family. It's a terrific Tuesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with today's date. October 4th, 2022. Dear class family, today is Tuesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will review letter sounds. Next, we will learn the letter G. Then, we will listen to a story as a community and share ideas. Last, we will choose stories to tell about our lives and everyday things. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, class family, let's go ahead and look back to reread the message. Good readers read things again. It's called rereading. Do it with me. Use your finger to point. Make sure it points underneath the word so you can see it. Are you ready? Let's start with this month. Do you remember what this abbreviation is for? Well, what month is it? You're right, October. Let's reread the date. Are you ready? October 4th, 2022. After the date, let's reread the greeting. Do you see where it starts with the word dear? Let's go ahead and reread it. Dear class family. After the greeting, I noticed a punctuation mark. What is this special mark called? Do you remember? It is a comma. If you knew that, go ahead and kiss your brain. Remember, kiss your hand, stick it on your head. After the greeting, let's look at the first telling sentence. Before the sentence starts, I noticed a bigger finger space. Do you see how we indented? Good writers indent. They leave a bigger space before starting a new paragraph. Let's go ahead and reread this first telling sentence. Before we do that, notice the capital letter at the beginning. What letter is that? It is a T, like T-top. We always capitalize the first letter in every sentence. That's what good writers do. Let's reread this sentence together. Today is Tuesday. It is Tuesday. Did you remember that? If you did, great job. Let's look at the next telling sentence. I notice it starts with an uppercase letter. What letter is that? It is a W, like W wins what? Let's reread this sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We know we do that every day to pump our brains with knowledge, and we're working on being a great collaborator, communicator, and creative and critical thinker. Let's see how we're going to do that this morning in kindergarten. First, we will review letter sounds just like we do every day. We're going to use our word wall as a resource. We'll be reviewing letter sounds starting with A, going all the way to Z. We'll be singing the traditional ABC song. We'll be singing it. We'll be saying it. We'll be doing American Sign Language. And we're also going to be using some special YouTube channels to help our brain and our bodies move and learn so many letters and sounds. We will be using Mr. B's YouTube channel, and we're going to be going ahead and moving to the alphabet groove, and we'll be reviewing vowels. Later on, we'll be reviewing a special letter. Next, we will learn the letter G. We're going to be focusing on G like G game G. We'll be working on writing a letter G, and we're going to be practicing that in class. And we'll be using Jack Hartman's YouTube channel to review the letter G. Now, let's see what else we're going to do today during language arts. Then we'll listen to a story as a community and share ideas. Okay, we know that I read to understand and learn. Today, we'll be revisiting the book Jabari Jumps by Gaia Cornwall. We looked at this book a few weeks ago. Readers can reread books. We're going to reread this book and dive deeper into it. And today we're going to be rereading Jabari Jumps, and we're going to listen to it together as a community and then sharing our ideas about this book. When you are sharing ideas, make sure you're using your mouth to speak and communicate and your ears to listen, to friends sharing answers, and to teachers and other adults. We're going to be sharing ideas today when we are communicating throughout the whole day, especially when we're working on Jabari Jumps, but throughout the day as we're sharing our thinking and doing things in each subject. Remember, we're going to be a great collaborator, communicator, and creative and critical thinker. So speak clearly and listen. Okay, so what else are we going to do? Last, we'll choose stories to tell about our lives and everyday things. Love, Ms. Joyner. Okay, so during writing workshop, you are going to be getting your materials together, your crayons, your pencils. You have your crayons, you will have your pencil, you'll have your alphabet chart, and you're going to be using your journal. So you're going to find the next clean page in your journal, and you're going to go ahead and in your writing journal, you're going to be thinking of something that happened from your everyday life. After we brainstorm some ideas in class, we're going to pick one moment and you're going to be writing about that. Remember, writers have many ideas for writing. And as we are thinking of ideas, we'll be brainstorming a bunch of different ideas. Could be about family, friends, school, pets, animals, holidays, nature, sports, weather, places, food, something about me, vacations, toys, feelings, maybe your strengths. We'll be brainstorming ideas of what to write about. Remember, good writers plan how a new piece will go before they start writing. So we're going to plan it out, think about it together before you start. All right, you will be going on your iPads later and doing Lexia as well. We're going to have a fantastic day. Class family, get your fans ready. Fantastic. Later on in our T-chart of yes or no answers, we'll be answering this special question. Look at the picture first. Do you like Mickey and Minnie Mouse? Well, do you? Think about your answer and get ready to share why. Do you like Mickey and Minnie Mouse?